So this is the grocery cart. It has the extendable handle, retractable, that kind of thing. And the bag sits on the trolley right there. And for the bag, it has straps that go over it. So that hopefully you can see straps that go over it. Now, in order to keep the bag up, I do this to hold on to it so that it doesn't fall down, because it just doesn't stand by itself very well. As you can see, it's kind of just folding. So you're always pulling it up. Pull it up to keep it in line. So just be aware of that.